Hi, I'm Joel Karsten, and this is my Minnesota State Fair story. I grew up on a farm in Minnesota, and every August, it was every 4-H kid's dream to make it to the Minnesota State Fair. You just had to win a good enough ribbon at the county fair that you could get to the state fair. What I didn't expect as an adult was to be speaking as a featured speaker at the Minnesota State Fair almost every day for the last 10 years. I invented this method of gardening called straw bale gardening, where we grow vegetables in bales. I speak all around the world about straw bale gardening, and what's exciting is when someone walks up to me and says, I first learned about this at the Minnesota State Fair. I just sat down to rest my feet. You jumped on stage, taught me all about straw bale gardening, and now I've been growing vegetables for the last how many years. Come on out to the Minnesota State Fair. There are lots of opportunities to listen to featured speakers and learn lots of new things. So come and join us at the 2021 Minnesota State Fair on the dirt stage. I can't wait to meet you.